Hello students, in today's session I am going to cover semester 6 MS University TY BCom semester 6 financial reporting subjects multiple choice questions। बच्चों इस साल आपको FR में फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग में यूनिट 1 एंड यूनिट 3 है सिलेबस में। यूनिट 1 is completely theory, you already know about that. Unit 3 has mixed theory also, practical also. Earning per share पूरा practical है, थोड़ा बहुत theory है. Employees benefit is 50-50% theory and practical. Now, out of 30 multiple choice questions in your exams, you can expect that roughly 7 to 8, I repeat 7 to 8 practical questions आएंगे. 20 से 22 questions expected are theoretical. So theory is very important from mid-semester MCQs point of view, especially for the subject financial reporting. आज के सेशन में I am going to cover the practical questions only, because theoretical questions you have the study material, you have the multiple choice questions material, you directly have to go through the answers on your own. नीचे link में description box में you'll get the link for downloading the study material of MCQ, and ये जो आपको मेरे बैकग्राउंड में पीछे एक समरी टेबल दिख रहा है उसका PDF भी आपको नीचे लिंक में डाउनलोड करने के लिए मिल जाएगा. एंड click on that link, download the material, take out the printout. After that you watch this video and start practicing the multiple choice questions. Let's start. Okay, so let's start. This summary you all can see. Okay, the summary is prepared, so I will be solving 1 or 2 questions of each type. You all can see there are total 11 varieties of practical questions possible. I can guarantee you, बच्चों मैं गारंटी देता हूं कि अगर आप ये 11 क्वेश्चंस कर लेंगे तो इसी में से वो 7 to 8 प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस आपको एग्जाम्स में मिल जाएंगे. मार्क माय वर्ड्स, आफ्टर द एग्जाम्स 100 आई एम 100% श्योर आप लोग मुझे मैसेज करके बताओगे कि ये 11 में से ही वो 7 to 8 प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस आए हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Very first variety of question possible is on VANS, weighted average number of equity shares. I'll be solving 2 questions, March 2019's question 9 and March 2023's question 5. And after that, once you download this material, you all try February 17th question 11, March 18th question 15 and February 20th question 13 on your own. 2 questions I am doing right now and 3 questions you all try on your own. So all of you look at the 2 questions. First, March 2023's question number 5. X Limited has 24 lakh equity shares outstanding on 1st April 2021. Opening balance is 24 lakhs. On 1/7/2021, the company issued means we will plus. Okay, the shares will increase. 6 lakh shares for cash. And on 1/1/22, it bought back. Bought back we will minus. Okay, bought back means the shares will decrease. 2 lakh shares. Calculate weighted average number of equity shares outstanding as on 31st March 22. How will you solve this? See, on 1/4/21, already there is opening balance of 24 lakh shares. Okay. Then on 1/7/21, company has issued how many shares? 6 lakh shares. You all can see that. Okay, 6 lakh shares. And on 1/1/22, it has bought back, means we'll write buyback of 2 lakh shares. So what are the balance number of shares? Opening balance is 24 lakhs. We'll add this issued of 6 lakhs. So 24 plus 6, 30 lakhs. And we'll minus this 2 lakhs bought back. So 30 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, 28 lakhs. Now, what is the weightage we have to apply? April, May and June, 3 months. July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months. And after that, January, February and March, 3 months. So weight applied will be 24 lakh shares money we will be using for 3 months, 3/12. 30 lakhs money we will be using for 6 months, 6/12. and 28 lakhs of shares money we will be using for the last 3 months. So 3 by 12 after the buyback. Now, weighted average number of shares, we have to multiply this. So 24 lakhs into 3 by 12, that is 6 lakhs. Then 30 lakhs into 6 by 12, that is 15 lakhs. And 28 lakhs into 3 by 12, that is 7 lakhs. So 6 plus 15, 21 plus 7, 28 lakhs. What are the total weighted average number of equity shares? 28 lakhs. Option B. Achha, students, what you can do is in exams, if you don't have time to do so many calculations, you can directly do these things on calculator. See, how would you do this directly on calculator? Understand it. Company has 24 lakh equity shares outstanding on 1st April 21. Now on 1/7/21, so here itself we know April, May and June, the gap is 3 months. Now all of you do as I am saying in your calculator, 24 lakhs into 3 divide by 12 and press M plus. M plus को आप press करें calculator में. Okay? इन दोनों को multiply करके. Then the company issued means we have to plus 6 lakh shares for cash. So 24 plus 6 will be how much? 30 lakhs. So all of you do 30 lakhs into, now this period from July to January is a period of 6 months. So directly आप calculator पे कर लो 30 lakhs into 6 divided by 12 and press M plus. M plus you press on calculator. And then 30 lakhs minus bought back 2 lakhs. So 28 lakhs into again last 3 months left out 3 divided by 12 and you press M minus. इसके लिए आप calculator में press करो M minus because we have to I'm sorry M plus only not M minus, M plus only. So आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 28 lakhs. Okay. So this is what you have to remember. If you can directly do it on calculator, you'll save a lot of time in your exams. Okay. Next, March 2019. E Limited has 3,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid on 1/4/17. This is again the opening balance. On 31/1/18, company issued 1,200 equity shares. Issued, what will we do? Plus of rupees 10 each. Now this is important. 5 paid up. 5 paid up. So यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do? 1,200 shares into 5 rupees paid up divide by 10 rupees face value. We will consider it equal to 600 shares only, not 1,200 shares. When we do the calculations, we will not take 1,200 shares, but we will take only 600 shares. 1,200 into 5 divided by 10. You have to take care when the shares are partly paid up. On 1/3/18, company repurchased. Okay, repurchased means we will buy back minus 1,200 equity shares. So same way we will calculate. Now you can do it directly on calculators. Opening balance is 3,000. So all of you do in calculator 3,000 into, now period देख लो आप लोग यहाँ से, अप्रैल से लेके 31st January है. So January will also be included. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, 31st January. So January is also, we are using the money, 10 months. So 10 divided by 12. Okay. All of you do on calculator 3,000 into 10 divided by 12 and press M plus. Okay, you'll get 2,500. यहाँ पे आप लोग M plus दबा दो इसके बाद. Then same way all of you now see 1,200 instead of 1,200 we are going to take how many shares? 600. So 3,000 plus 600 will become 3,600. 3,600 into, now after January they have done this on 1st March. So January and then 31st January and then 1st March, there is a gap of only 1 month, February. 31st January to 1st March, there is a gap of only 1 month, that is February. So all of you do in calculator 3,600 into 1 divided by 12 and press M plus, you'll get 300. And then lastly, repurchase 1,200 we have to minus. So 3,600 minus 1,200 will be 2,400. And then after 1st March, only 1 month is again left out, that is of March. So 1 by 12, that will be again equal to 2,400 into 1 by 12. Press M plus, you'll get 200. And then press MRC. Okay, at the end, आप लोग press करो MRC के button को. So you'll get your answer. That is 3,000 shares. Okay, before you use this memory functions, erase the previous memory. याद रखना, erase your previous memory. How to erase the previous memory? Okay, press MRC 2-3 times and press on 2-3 times. So old memory will get removed. So whenever you are feeding the new memory, remember that you erase the old memory before putting the new memory. Next question. तो दो क्वेश्चन मैंने कर दिए 9 and 5. Now 11, 14, 13 you have to try on your own. Okay, now next one, basic earning per share, which again includes partly paid equity shares. Just now I told you that in partly paid equity shares, what we have to do is calculate the number of shares which is going to decrease. So same way we will do over here also. Here I will solve March 2023's question 8 right now, and all of you try this February 2017's question 13 on your own. मटेरियल आप लोग डाउनलोड कर लेना, नीचे लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया हुआ है, सो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर ओन. Look at the basic earning per shares question. Vijay Limited had the following number of equity shares outstanding as on 31st March 21, 90 lakhs. Okay. Equity shares of 10 each fully paid up. 60 lakh equity shares of 10 each, 5 paid up. So what will we do here? 60 lakhs into rupees 5 divide by face value rupees 10. We will take 30 lakh shares only. Instead of 60 lakh shares, we'll take 30 lakh shares. Okay. Company's profit after tax for the year ended on 31/3/21 was rupees 15 crores. Calculate basic earning per share. So very first of all, the number of shares, the formula of basic earning per share is what? Profits after tax or profits attributable to equity shareholders divided by weighted average number of equity shares. Now profit after tax is given as 15 crores. Be careful with the number of zeros in number of in crores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros will come in 15 crores. Okay. Divided by 90 lakhs opening balance of shares plus 60 lakhs. There are partly paid up shares which we will consider 30 lakhs. So we will take 15 crores divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs. Okay, 15 crores divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs. कर लो कैलकुलेटर में 15 crores divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs, you'll get rupees 12.5. That is option A. Okay, so this is the formula for basic earning per share. Now you all will try this question 13 on your own of February 2017. That is also on basic earning per share including partly paid shares. Now next we are going to take up with basic and restated EPS including bonus shares. So here again I am doing with question 15 of recent most exam. You all try remaining 3 questions. March 2018's question 2, 2019's question 14 and 20's question 14 on your own. Okay, look at it. Mega Limited had substantial reserves and surplus. The net profit made during the year ended on 31st March 2021 and 2022 was 24 crores and 32 crores. Okay. 21's profit is 24 crores, 22's profit is 32 crores. Respectively, the company made a bonus issue of 2 equity shares for each equity share outstanding on 1st April 2021. Now on 1st July 21, the date of bonus issue, company had 60 lakh shares. So 60 lakhs into 2 bonus. Bonus given would be equal to 1 crore 20 lakh shares. Okay, and total number of shares, weighted average number of equity shares will become 1 crore 20 lakhs plus 60 lakhs are already there. So 1 crore 80 lakhs would be your weighted average number of equity shares. Date is not given, so full year only we have to take. 1st July 21 has no relevance because bonus shares में ऐसा concept है कि we have to take the bonus shares from the earliest period reported. Okay, there is a concept in earning per share. Bonus shares की dates को ignore करना है. Bonus shares को पूरे 12 months का weightage always मिलेगा. It will be taken from the earliest period reported. If you are reported with last 4-5 years information, then any bonus shares issued during these years, you will take from the very first year which is reported. That is the concept of bonus shares. Now, you have to find the EPS. So profits are already given. What is asked? calculate basic EPS of 21-22, that is current year, and restated EPS of 2021. Restated means including the effect of bonus shares. Okay, so how will we do that? पहले हम 21-22 का calculate करते हैं. 2021-22. What is the profits after tax given to you for 21-22? See here, 32 crores. Okay, so 32 crores, 7 zeros, divided by 1 crore 80 lakh shares. So 32 crores divided by 1 crore 80 lakh shares, that will be equal to rupees 17.77 is recurring, so 78. And then you are asked to calculate restated EPS for 2021. Now you all can see over here, 2021 the profit is 24 crores. Okay, so 2021 the restated EPS will be equal to 24 crores, and restated means including the effect of bonus shares. So here also we'll take same 1 crore 80 lakhs because restated EPS is asked. So 24 crores divided by 1 crore 80 lakhs, that will be equal to rupees 13.33. So option A is our answer. Okay, I hope everyone is clear with that. See, similar questions have been asked so many times. February 20 also it has been asked, 14th question, this also 14th, this also. To all of you, try these questions on your own. Now diluted EPS including debentures, I am solving question 16 of recent exams. The other ones you'll try on your own. So look at diluted EPS question. Okay, based on debentures, including the effect of debentures. Okay, diluted EPS can also be calculated including the effect of preference shares. Right now we solve including debentures. We'll also cover with preference shares. Following details are available of Mark Limited for the year 21-22. Net profit after tax for the current year is rupees 2 crores. Number of equity shares outstanding are 1 crores. Rate of income tax is 25%. Now there are 2 lakh 12%. Okay, rate of interest is 12%, debentures of 100 each. And each debenture is convertible into 10 equity shares. Calculate diluted EPS. Now for diluted EPS, first we'll find revised profits. How will we find revised profits available for equity shareholders? Existing profits, which is 2 crores. This one. Okay. In that we will add interest minus tax. We'll add interest on debentures because that we don't have to pay in future, so profit will increase. Because of tax, our liability will increase, so profit will decrease. Right now we are saving on tax. So whenever there is debentures interest, we minus tax from that. Now here you all can see 2 lakhs, okay, into 100. So 2 lakhs into 100, that is 2 crores into 12% interest. That will be 24 lakhs. So 24 lakhs of interest we have to plus. And it's tax 30%. Sorry, 25%. So 24 lakhs into 25% tax will be 6 lakhs that we have to minus. So 2 crores plus 24 lakhs minus 6 lakhs, that is 18 lakhs. That will be equal to 2 crore 18 lakhs. This will be the revised profits, and same way, what will be the revised weighted average number of equity shares? Here, the number of shares presently are 1 crore. Okay, it should not be rupees. ये rupees को आप लोग cut कर देना. It should not be there. Only 1 crore. And other than that, the debenture is convertible into 10 equity shares. So what will happen? 1 crore shares we already have. Okay, 1 crore shares we already have. Plus debentures, there are 2 lakhs, and 2 lakh debentures will get converted into 10 equity shares, means they'll become 20 lakh shares. So 1 crore plus 20 lakhs, 1 crore 20 lakhs. Now what will be your diluted EPS? This divided by this. Okay, revised profits, that is 2 crore 18 lakhs divided by revised gains, that is 1 crore 20 lakhs. So 2 crore 18 lakhs divided by 1 crore 20 lakhs, that is 1.816. We'll round it off to 1.82. So B option is your answer. Okay, the same way they can also ask you with the effect of preference shares, वो भी आगे questions में covered है. So there are so many questions asked in exams related to debentures effect on diluted EPS. You all try these questions on your own. February 20th question 6, March 19th question 11, March 18th question 6. All of you try these questions on your own. Now next question is on actual return on plan assets. Okay, so here there is only again here every exam it has been asked. So this 18th question I am doing right now, and the other questions you all try on your own. Actual return on plan assets. Look at it. ये employees benefit का question है. Fair value of plan assets. Okay, fair value of plan assets means investments. Plan assets का मतलब क्या होता है? Investments. At the beginning of the year means opening, and at the end of the year means closing. Were rupees 28,000, this is opening, and 40,000, this is closing. The employer's contribution to the plan during the year is 3,000. Now what we will do is, very first we will do closing. Closing will be our starting point, STPT. Opening we will minus. So closing minus opening, we will get the appreciation in the value of our investments, plan assets. Now employer's contribution means we have further invested 3,000 rupees. So that also we will minus. Whatever is employer's contribution, we have to always minus. Okay. Benefit payments to the retirees means this is what we have received as return on investments, that we will plus. This 2,500 which we have received, we will plus. So you remember the formula is fair value of plan assets at the end minus fair value of plan assets at the beginning. In that we further subtract employer's contribution. We further subtract employer's contribution. Whatever amount we are further investing in this year, we minus. And we add whatever benefit payments have been received from our investments. So whatever benefit payments have been received, that we will plus. Now see here, if we do this application, fair value at the end is 40,000. Minus at the beginning is 28,000. Minus employer's contribution is 3,000. Plus benefit payments are 2,500. So these two we have to minus. And last one we have to plus. Do it in calculator. 40,000 minus 28,000 minus 3,000 plus 2,500. You'll get 11,500 as actual return on assets. That is option C. Okay, very easy to calculate. You just have to remember these formulas. You all try these 5 questions on your own. 2020's question 17, 19's question 4, then 18's question 13 and 17's question 16. Right? Next, benefits paid by company to the employees, that is defined benefit plan. Question number 19. Say this. The following data apply to company's defined benefit pension plan for the year. Now fair market value is given at the beginning. Then you are also given with fair market value at the end, employer's contribution, actual return. Now what is asked is benefit paid. Means what is asked? यहाँ पे जो ये हमने already दिया हुआ था, this 2,500, that is asked in the question. So what we will do is we'll write this formula and we will go reverse and we'll be able to get the benefits payment. Okay, it is a similar question, but because benefits payment is asked, we have to go reverse. So how would you do that? Fair value at the end minus fair value at the beginning. Same formula you write down and go reverse. Then we will minus employer's contribution and we will plus benefit payment. Now here this benefit payment is what is asked in the question. This is what we have to find. Okay, ये हमें find करना है. So we will be going reverse with this, and actual return we get, which is already given. What actual return we get is already given. Let's put the values. See, very first you are given with fair market value at the end is how much? 4 lakhs. Minus beginning is, end is 5,70,000 and beginning is 4 lakhs. Employer's contribution is 1,40,000. You have to minus normally. And benefit payments are missing. This is what we have to find. Actual return answer is given as 1,30,000. Now we will go reverse. Reverse means क्या करेंगे? उल्टा. We'll do opposite. So normally 5,70,000 is added. Now we will minus. Normally 4 lakhs is minus. Now we will plus. Okay. This 4 lakhs normally we subtract. Now we will plus. 1,40,000 normally we minus. Now we will plus. So all of you do this. 1,30,000 plus 1,40,000, go reverse, plus 4 lakhs minus 5,70,000. What will be left out is 1 lakh. तो ये amount जो बचेगा वो क्या आएगा? 1 lakh. This procedure is what you have to follow. Okay. Go reverse. Whatever normally we add, we will subtract. Whatever we normally we subtract, we will add. So option D, 1 lakh we will be obtaining. Right. Now you all try these questions on your own. Okay. There is no similar question asked in exams. Actuarial gain or loss. Now what is actuarial gain or loss? Just now we obtained actual return. Actual return and expected returns difference is actuarial gain or loss. I repeat, actual return, expected returns difference is actuarial gain or loss. So here again I'll do 2 questions, 20 and this 16, and these 3 you all will try on your own. Okay. So I'm taking up with these 2 questions. Look at it. Considering the following information, calculate actuarial gain or loss, assuming that, now see, expected return is given to you 1,90,000. What did I tell you just now? That actuarial gain or loss is the difference between expected return and actual return. If actual return is more, it is actuarial gain. If actual return is less, it is actuarial loss. Okay. हमें actual return देखना है. If actual return ज़्यादा है, it is more, then it is gain. Actual return कम है, then it is our actuarial loss. Now benefits payment हम क्या करेंगे? हमने अभी discuss किया. We will minus it. No, we will plus it. Contribution we will minus. Fair market value of plan assets at the end of the year will be our starting point, and beginning of the year we will minus. Okay. So हम directly calculator पे ही कर देते हैं ये. We'll start from this 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. Then minus this 4 lakhs. We'll get 2 lakhs. Minus this 1,30,000. We'll get 70,000 plus this 1 lakh. So we get 1,70,000. So actual return is 1,70,000. Okay, as I said to you, we'll start with 6 lakhs minus 4 lakhs minus 1,30,000 plus 1 lakh. Now you compare this with expected return. What is given here? Expected return 1,90,000. Clear cut minus 20,000. That is loss. That is actuarial loss. So what did I say? If actual return is less, then it is actuarial loss. If actual return is more, then it is actuarial gain. I hope everyone is clear with this. Okay. So all of you will have similar questions or not? Let's see. Yes. These 3 questions, 2, 10 and 7, you all try on your own. Okay. One more I'll be doing 16. Okay. Let's see that 16 also. Okay. यहाँ पे सब directly दे दिया हुआ है. Expected return is 30,50,100 and actual return on plan assets is 31,50,600. So straight away what we have to do? Actual return minus expected return. Positive answer of 500, 1 lakh 500. Positive answer of 1 lakh 500 is actuarial gain. Okay. So I hope everyone is clear with that. Done. Periodic cost of defined benefit plan. PCDB's full form is what? Periodic cost of defined benefit plan. So one question 28 I'm doing it, and then 5 you all will try on your own. Look at it. Question 28 of March 23. If current service cost is rupees 10,000, that we will have to add. Interest cost 2,000 also we will have to add in finding periodic cost of defined benefit plan. Return on plan assets is 3,500, means whatever investments we had done, there we get a return of 3,500. तो उतना हमें contribution कम करना पड़ेगा, so that we will subtract. Okay, whatever return we have earned on our investments, that much less we will have to contribute. So for the company, that much cost will decrease. Actuarial gain, again, this also we will minus because we have earned gain, means we earned more return. Actual return was more than expected return. So again, our cost will go down because actual return is more than the expected return. So we will have to invest less money, or we'll have to give less money to the employees because our return what we are getting is more. So this also will minus. If there is actuarial loss, you will plus. If there is actuarial gain, you will minus. And share of current year's past service cost amortized, we will plus. Okay, past हमने कम प्रोवाइड किया था, उसका आज हमें प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा 1000, so that we will have to add that much cost to the company will increase. So current service cost 10,000 plus interest 2000 minus return on plan assets 3500 minus actuarial gain 5000. If there is actuarial loss, you will plus. And past years we provided less, that now we have to provide, so plus 1000. Do it everyone. 10,000 plus 2000 minus 3500 minus 5000 plus 1000, what we get? 4500. This is periodic cost of defined benefit plan. Okay, periodic cost of defined benefit. So our answer is option A, that is 4500. So all of you will try this one question on your own, which is 5th question of February 2020. Now, recognition of expense and liability on estimation of employees cessation. Cessation मतलब leaving. जब कोई employee company छोड़ के जाता है, when any employee leaves the company, then how do you recognize the expense and liability? So look at question 29 of recent most exam. A profit sharing plan requires an enterprise to pay a specified portion of its net profit for the year to employees who serve throughout the year. If no employee leaves during the year, if no employee leaves during the year, then the total profit sharing payments for the year will be 5% of net profit. But when will it be 5%? जब कोई भी छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा, when no employee leaves during the year. The estimation of the company is that some of the employees may leave during the year, and thus profit sharing plan will be reduced by 1%, means instead of 5% it will become 4%. If any employee leaves during the year, तो उसे हमें वो profit का share देना नहीं है because he has left in the middle of the year. Profit share we give at the end of the year. So the company has estimated that if some employees leave during the year, then instead of 5%, we will be making a payment of only 4%, not giving the payment to the employees who have left. If the net profit of the enterprise is 10 crores, calculate the amount to be recognized as liability and expense. Very simple, 10 crores, 4%, 40 lakhs. 10 crores, 4%, that is 40 lakhs. Okay, option A. I hope everyone is clear with that. So, ऐसा एक ही क्वेश्चन अभी तक एग्जाम में पूछा है. Now, diluted EPS including the effect of preference shares. Debentures का हमने देखा था, now it is with preference shares. The only difference is in this debentures you subtract the tax. Okay, but here in preference shares, that DDT, if at all it is given in the question, you will add it. यहाँ पे DDT भी नहीं दिया हुआ है. Let's see that. So one question, this 7th I am doing it, and then 5th question of 2019 and 7th of 2018 you all will try on your own. So look at this question number 7th of February 2020. Okay. AC Limited had 5 lakh outstanding equity shares of 10 each on 1/4/18. Net profit for the year is rupees 10 lakhs, and it had 11% 2 lakh convertible preference shares of 10 each converted into one equity share of rupees 10 each. Calculate diluted EPS. So again, we'll first find revised profits. Okay, how will we find revised profits? Existing profits, that is, kitna existing profits? 10 lakhs. Existing profits, that is 10 lakhs. Plus preference dividend we will add. Preference dividend we will add. So here you can see 2 lakh preference shares are there of 10 each. So 20 lakhs into 11%. Okay. 2 lakhs into face value rupees 10 20 lakhs into 11%, so 2,20,000. So that will be 12,20,000. This will be the revised profits. And same way, what will be the revised weighted average number of equity shares? Revised weighted average number of equity shares. We already have, you all can see here, 5 lakh shares. And this 2 lakh will be converted into 1 equity share. So 5 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. Existing shares are 5 lakhs plus 2 lakh preference shares will again get converted into 2 lakh equity shares. So total equity shares will become 7 lakhs in future. Now these two we have to divide. So 12,20,000 divided by 7 lakhs. What is diluted EPS? 12,20,000 divided by 7 lakhs. 1.74. That is diluted EPS. Option D is your answer. Okay. So preference shares के साथ बाकी जितने भी questions है आप लोग अपने आप try कर लीजिए. Question 5 of 19 exams and 7 of 18 exams. Now the last question is basic EPS including bonus shares, 14th question of 2017 exams. We have already seen that bonus shares का effect हमें first date से include करना है. So H Limited had 2 lakh equity shares outstanding on 1/1/16. That is the beginning of the year. Year is not from April to March, it is from January to December. On 1st October, it issued 2 equity shares as a bonus for each share outstanding on 39/16. But as I said, iska koi bhi relevance nahi hai. Ignore it, because when we issue bonus shares, then we take it from the beginning of the year. Okay. So net profit is given as 6 lakhs. First we'll find Vains. Vains will be equal to existing 2 lakh shares plus this existing 2 lakh shares, that is issued 2 equity shares, so 2 lakhs into 2. हर शेयर के सामने 2 बोनस दिया है, so it will be equal to 2 lakhs into 2, 4 lakhs. 2 lakhs plus 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs would be the Vains. Now basic earning per share will become profits, which is 6 lakhs divided by Vains also 6 lakhs, 1 rupee. That is option A. Okay. So this covers with all the varieties of questions practical which are possible. आप लोग description box में जो link दिया है वहां से you download the study material of MCQ as well as this summary table and you practice this red circled questions on your own. I can guarantee you that whatever 7 to 8 practical questions come out of 30 will be one of these only. So wishing you all the best for your upcoming mid-sem exams. Bye everyone. Take care.